crazy, little sexy, little cool.
Alright, let's get it. So the hair that I'm showing you guys today is from Dsoarhair.com. So they sent over their Brazilian pretty curly virgin hair, 3 bundles with a closure, and this is a free part enclosure. Look how beautiful this texture is, and the closure matches the bundles perfectly, so I love that. So we're going to be doing a quick weave wig. So I'm just going to be putting that plastic cap on my mannequin head, and then I'm just using a standard dome cap. So I'm just positioning where I want the closure at, and I will be sewing the closure on. You don't want to glue your closure, so try to sew it on to the best of your ability by doing a simple whip stitch, and this is what it should look like when you're all done. So I cut the first width and I cut it into like a small piece so that it will fit at the bottom of the dome cap, and now I'm just taking my hair bonding glue, weave glue, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just applying that to the track. This is how I like to start off the first few tracks. It's just easier, and then I'm just going to simply press that into the dome cap like so, as you guys see here, and then take my blow dryer and blow dry it into place. And I'm just going to continue to do that same thing around the dome cap, going in a curved, I cannot talk today, shape, as you guys can see here. And it's simple to do it when you just apply the glue straight onto the dome cap, but as you get more advanced, you can apply the glue straight onto the weft. But this is like a simpler way of doing it, as you guys can see here, and kind of just pin it into place as you go on. Just cut the tracks to, you know, fit the dome cap going in a U shape. Just measure it side to side, and then I simply glue it down and then secure it with the blow dryer. And that's just what I did all over the dome cap until I got to the very top where the closure is at. If you guys would like me to do like a more in-depth tutorial on this, let me know and I will, but it's pretty self-explanatory, as you guys can see. And when you get more advanced, you can just go ahead and put the glue directly on the track, as you guys see me doing here, and just lay it on down, girl. And this method is super easy. This is definitely good for people that do not know how to sew, and even if you do know how to sew, this method is really easy, and the cap stays in place. It's still very stretchy, because you guys know wig bonding glue is just basically stretchy latex. That's what it is. So yeah, you guys are probably wondering, like, how long will this wig last? It can last about a year if you take really good care of it, but you guys know that you cannot get the cap fully saturated because, you know, you use glue. So yes, but once the hair is glued, it's glued. You can't take it off and reuse it. Once it's done, it is literally done, okay? You can see we are at the very top, and then I'm just going to cut like shorter pieces until the dome cap is no longer showing, and that's basically what I'm doing here. I'm all done. This is what the unit looks like. Super full, super cute. None of the tracks are showing, and it's laying pretty flat. So that's what I definitely like about this method, because you can get the tracks to lay down really flat. And then I'm just gonna spray. Wow, I said pray. I'm just going to spray the front of the closure with some conditioner, part it down the middle, because I decided to do a middle part and, you know, shape it to how I want it to be. Hey everyone, what's up? Mona B here. So today I'm back with a hair tutorial. As you guys can see from the intro, this hair is popping like bomb, 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 bomb. Do y'all see this hair? It's so bomb. It's so cute. Like the perfect curly wig for summer. I always say that, but for real though, this is some popping hair. So let me just go ahead and tell you guys where this hair is from. This hair is from Dsoar Hair. And I have in a 20-inch closure and a 3 20-inch bundles. Yes, I did use all of the hair this time, so that's why it's giving you Diana Ross vibes. It's super full, but it's not heavy. So that's what I'm loving about the hair. So this is a free part enclosure, and I decided to go ahead and do a middle part. The webs were really full, so that's what I like, because sometimes when you buy curly hair, especially like Brazilian curly hair, the webs aren't super full, and especially as the hair gets long, it seems like the hair gets thinner on the web. But this is 20 inches and the hair actually was really full. The only thing is, I would say like towards the ends, the hair starts to get a little bit thin, but I just went ahead and cut the ends off. But that's the only thing I have to say about the ends. They're fine for the most part. So as far as shedding, I haven't worn this hair long enough to see if it's shedding or what, but I did cut my webs when I was going to, as you can see, as you guys will see within the tutorial on how I made the wig. Now when you cut the webs, yes, you are going to experience some shedding because you cut the web. So the hair isn't shedding, it's from you actually snipping through the weft, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I just basically combed all of that hair out from when I cut the webs. So as I wear this hair for the next week or so, I will definitely let you guys know in the next video how the shedding is. With curly hair, it's kind of hard to tell right off the back. You have to wear it a few days. And also I'll let you guys know if it tangles, but so far so good. I did not co-wash this hair yet, but I did put some conditioner in the spray bottle, and I just sprayed the hair down to like flatten out the part and everything, and the hair flattened out really well, and the hair is actually really easy to comb through. I just use this brush that I got from my beauty supply store to brush through the hair. So that is definitely bomb. Like, it's easy to like detangle. So yeah, I will definitely be letting y'all know if this hair tangles up on me. I want to try a longer length of this like curly hair, because when I usually try Brazilian curly hair, I never try like this length of hair, but this curl pattern is really prominent, and that's what I like about the hair. Like sometimes when you wet down here, the curl pattern kind of goes away, but when I wet this hair down, the curl pattern, excuse me, snapped it right back into place. So I'm like, yes, this hair is popping. As far as like smell, when I got out the packaging, it didn't have a foul smell. It smells like regular hair. The texture of this hair is super nice. It is in a natural color. This hair can be dyed or bleached. So yes, and you can also put heat on this hair as well. You guys will have to comment in the comment section and let me know if you all would like me to straighten this hair, blow this hair out. But I'm leaning towards straightening this hair. I don't really want to color it out. I'm kind of feeling it in a dark color. But let me know if you guys want me to blow this hair out and straighten it, so you guys can see how it straightens, and then we could do a video like to see if it's going to revert back, because that is very important when you buy curly hair. Because I know some people buy hair, you know, they want to wear it curly one week and then the next week they want to wear it straight. So I can definitely do that for you guys. This hair is super soft. It's not rough or anything. The lace closure was so easy to lay down. Like, I didn't even tweeze the part or anything. This is just concealer in the part. And then it did have baby hairs at the front, but I just kind of like cut them a little bit shorter and made my own and kind of just swooped them around. Definitely like the perfect hair to just throw on, put a little water through it, and run out the door. So I'm gonna wet it completely down, because I know some people like that wet and wavy look. Everybody doesn't like their hair to be super big. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wet it down so you guys can see. But the hair is pretty long. Like, it's 20 inches. So let me show y'all. So it comes like almost to like the middle of my back per se, but it's long and it's giving body. It's not limp. Like, that's what I like about it. This is Suave conditioner and water in here, so I'm literally just gonna spray it. How like I can comb through this. Look, y'all. I can comb through it. It's combable, so that's good. Cause some hair, when you try to comb through it, it gets tangled. And this hair is not tangling up. And also, it's curly all the way to the root. Cause y'all know, some of that curly hair don't be curly all the way to the root. So make sure you guys check out Dsoarhair.com. The hair that I'm wearing and their website will be linked in the description box below. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye!